Hi everyone, welcome.
And that would be what you do to change the wax seal on the toilet.
First thing you want to do is turn the water off. Give it a flush. What I like to do is use a shop vac to suck the water out. You can use a sponge too if you want. Again, when you undo the water line here, just use a sponge or a little bucket or the vac. Usually there's a cap. You take that cap off with your flathead screwdriver. So after you get those undone, then you just want to get a plastic bag laid out, lift, straight up and over on plastic.
Now you want to clean all this old wax off of here. Just use a piece of wood or whatever you handy to get it off, something disposable. Bolts. They just slide along, pop out at the end where it gets larger. Get all that, most of the wax off of there. Clean all that gross stuff out of there.
Before you put the old toilet back in, you want to flip it on its side and you want to clean off all the wax that's built up around here. This is just a little bit on the surface, but it doesn't have to be perfectly clean. You just want to get any big chunks of wax off of here, okay, before you put the toilet back in.
Okay, and we just want to take our new wax seal, take your new bolts, slide them in on the end to the center, and then it comes with these two metal threaded pieces that go on to hold them in place. You don't have to use these, but they do help hold these in the center. Those go right down, tighten up to the flange. Just like that. This is called a cant leak with the plastic piece in here that inserts into the flange. Make sure that's all even. And that would be what you do to change the wax seal on the toilet. And then you would just simply put the old toilet back on and do it back up, put the caps on, and you're good to go.
Hope this helped. Thanks for watching.